We're going to start with 1 package of Oreo cookies and 3 to 4 candy canes, and we're just going to mix that in a food processor or blender until it's a crumbly mixture, and then we're going to add the frosting back in as well as 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then you're going to put that back on the blender and blend until it makes a smooth cookie dough-like consistency. And you're going to take a cookie sheet and cover it with foil and start to make your truffles. So we just take a little chunk and roll it into a little ball. We usually like to do about 1-inch size balls, and then put it on the cookie sheet. And I wouldn't say to go any bigger because they take a little while to freeze. And so we're going to put those in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then while those are freezing, we'll make our chocolate. So I like to use white chocolate, but you can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. They just get a little rich, so we usually do white chocolate. So after they're done freezing, take them out and dip them in the white chocolate. And then this part gets fun because the kids can help. You can add candy cane or sprinkles on top. Really any holiday treat or favorite kind of flavor you have. And here's the finished product. Enjoy!